Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Jong ka Jelau ba Presiden Tun Song Ulaong ba ka Sorkar Jela kadang Bishar benia halor ka hukum bala penmi da ka Yeng Bishar Meghalaya High Court ban pha Talasi de ki Pulit Jong ka Central Industrial Security Force yaki kali ke bakit Be-Aiñ ya Dewïong ha ka ni ka Jela ha ka jinga kran bekla pathai khubor ha ka khandru trik uleber 4000 arpulai uba Presiden ulapen pa ba la satya ba nong AA la ka Sorkar kan buat lani kambut yakni ka jing patha jong ka Yeng Bishar namar ba ka Sorkar haduk menta kadang Bishar yakni ka hukum jong ka Yeng Bishar ha ka khatlai tarik uleber 4000 arpulai ka Yeng Bishar Meghalaya High Court kala hukum ban pen apa hara hadu shipau perton ki Pulit Central Industrial Security Force ban Talasi ki trok ki bakit Be-Aiñ ya Dewïong.
I think the government is examining this issue very seriously, but I can't say whether we will follow the direction of the Honorable Court or not. But right now the government is examining this issue. Saying we are examining this issue very seriously, so you will be known once the decision is taken by the government. Right now I can't say anything on that, as I said, because the government is still examining the issue.